Hello, everyone. Most cars die early, but they don't have to. Do you want your car to last a very, very long time? Maybe over 1,000,000 miles? Well, it's not just about luck. It's about building good habits every day. Stick around until the end of this video for my number 1 tip. This one habit can save you thousands of dollars on expensive repairs. Habit number 20. Keep your car clean. It's not just about looking good. Washing, lubricating, and waxing your car regularly helps prevent rust from forming on the body and undercarriage. Rust is a silent killer that can weaken the car's frame and cause major problems over time. A clean car is a happy car, and it can last a lot longer. Habit number 19. Drive with care. The way you drive matters just as much as how you maintain your car. You should practice good driving habits, like not speeding or braking too hard. Driving gently helps reduce wear and tear on your engine, brakes, and tires. Habit number 18. Get a good mechanic. Don't just go to any mechanic. Find a trained mechanic who specializes in your car's make and model, like a Toyota mechanic for a Toyota, or a Subaru mechanic for a Subaru. A good mechanic knows the specific needs of your car and can spot problems before they become big issues. Habit number 17. Resist the urge to upgrade. When your car hits 100,000 miles or more, you might think it's time to trade it in. But if you've been taking good care of it, it's often more affordable to keep your current car than to buy a new one. A car with high miles and proper maintenance can still run for many years. Habit number 16. Do simple checks at home. You don't always need to go to a mechanic to check on your car. There are many simple checks you can do at home, like checking your oil level, tire pressure, and lights. Getting to know your car's basics helps you spot problems early. Habit number 15. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. Let's start with something easy. Moving your tires from front to back helps them wear out slowly and evenly. Think of it like this. The front tires on a front-wheel drive car do most of the work. They steer the car, and they provide the power to move it forward. This makes them wear out faster than the back tires. By rotating them, you give them a break and help them last longer. This also makes your car drive better and can even save you gas because the tires have good contact with the road. It's a simple thing to do, and you can even mark your tires with chalk to remember which spot they were in. Habit number 14. Check and flush transmission fluid regularly. Think of transmission fluid as the blood for your car's drive system. It helps the gears move smoothly. If you don't change it, small metal pieces from the gears can get in the fluid and act like sandpaper, wearing down the parts. It's best to change this fluid every 60,000 miles. Don't just do a drain and fill, which just takes out some of the old fluid. You need to do a full flush to get all of the old fluid and gunk out. But be careful. If your car is very old and the fluid has never been changed, a flush can sometimes cause problems. In that case, it's better to just do a drain and fill. Habit number 13. Change your engine oil more often than the manufacturer says. Your car manufacturer might say you can go 10,000 miles, but that's not always the best for your car. This is often just a marketing trick to make the car look like it has lower maintenance costs. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. If it gets old and dirty, it can cause problems like sludge buildup, which is like thick, gooey tar that can clog up your engine. This can lead to your engine failing completely, which costs thousands of dollars to fix. It's much better to change your oil every 5,000 miles, especially if you drive in a city with a lot of stop-and-go traffic, or if you live in a very hot place. Some experts even recommend changing it every 3,000 miles. Habit number 12. Replace timing belt before it fails. Your timing belt is a very important rubber belt inside your engine. It keeps everything moving in sync. If it breaks, the pistons in your engine will slam into the valves, and it will be a huge mess. This can cause thousands of dollars in damage. You will never hear a warning sound. When it's about to fail, it just snaps. The best thing to do is to change it every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on what your car's manual says. A new timing belt might cost a few $100s, but it's a lot cheaper than a new engine. Habit number 11. Keep your spark plugs fresh. Spark plugs are what make the gas in your engine explode, so the car can move. If they get old, your car can run rough, misfire, or waste gas. You should change them every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If you see signs like a rough idle or a funny smell from your exhaust, it might be time to check them. When you take them out, look at them. If they are covered in oil or coolant, it can mean you have a bigger problem, like a leak. Habit number 10. Replace fuel filter on schedule. A fuel filter cleans the gas before it gets to your engine. If it gets clogged, your car won't get enough gas. This can make your fuel pump work too hard and cause it to break. Replacing the fuel filter every 30,000 to 60,000 miles keeps your fuel system working well. Habit number 9. Flush coolant every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Coolant is the fluid that keeps your engine from getting too hot. Over time, it can become acidic and start to eat away at the parts of your engine. This can cause things to leak and lead to expensive repairs, like a new head gasket. It's important to flush it out and put new coolant in every 5 years or 50,000 miles. Habit number 8. Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Your brakes won't work if your brake fluid is bad. Brake fluid can suck in water from the air. This makes the fluid get hot very fast, which can cause your brake pedal to feel soft and not stop the car well. You should change your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. This is very important for safety. Habit number 7. Regular differential and transfer case service. If you have a rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive car, you have a differential and a transfer case. These parts help send power from the engine to all of your wheels. They use special fluid that needs to be changed every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. If you don't, these parts can break down from all the pressure and friction, and they are very expensive to fix. Habit number 6. Clean your mass air flow sensor. The MAF sensor is a small part that tells your car's computer how much air is coming into the engine. If it gets dirty, it can give a wrong reading. This can make your car run poorly, use too much gas, or even stall. You can clean it yourself with a special cleaner. Make sure you use a cleaner made for MAF sensors and not something like brake cleaner, which can ruin it. Habit number 5. Replace PCV valve as recommended. The PCV valve is a small valve that helps keep the air pressure in your engine just right. If it gets clogged, it can cause oil leaks and make your car run rough. It's a cheap part to replace, and it can save you from big problems down the road. You should change it every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. Habit number 4. Avoid cold revving. When your car is cold, the oil is thick and hasn't moved around all the parts yet. Revving a cold engine is like trying to run with no shoes on. It hurts. The metal parts rub together and wear out faster. Just let your car sit and idle for 30 seconds to a minute before you drive, and then drive gently until the engine warms up. This simple habit will help your engine last a long time. Habit number 3. Wash your undercarriage every season. Salt, dirt, and grime can get stuck under your car. They can cause rust, which can eat away at your car's frame, brake lines, and exhaust. If you live in a place where it snows a lot or near the ocean, you should wash the bottom of your car every month. Regular cleaning can stop rust from eating away at important parts and help your car last longer. Habit number 2. Use a maintenance logbook. Keeping a little book where you write down when you change your oil, rotate your tires, and do other repairs might seem old-fashioned, but it is very helpful. It helps you remember what you've done and what you need to do next. It also helps you see if there are any patterns of problems with your car. And if you ever want to sell your car, a well-kept logbook shows the new owner that you took good care of it. Habit number 1. Never ignore small issues. That's right. My number 1 tip is to fix small problems right away. That strange noise, that small leak, or that new warning light on your dashboard. They are all trying to tell you something. A small problem left alone will almost always become a big, expensive disaster. It's always cheaper to fix a small leak than it is to replace a whole engine that broke because of it. Being proactive and getting things checked out early will save you money and keep you safe on the road. Following these 20 habits will transform how your car performs and lasts, making 1,000,000 miles a realistic goal, not just a dream. It's about consistent care, smart choices, and never taking shortcuts. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more expert car care tips.